Looking for an easy, efficient, and eco-friendly way to navigate your city? Electric folding bikes could be the perfect solution. They combine the convenience of folding bikes with the power of electric motors, making them ideal for urban commuters. In this video, we'll dive into the top 7 electric folding bikes, reviewing their designs, features, and performance to help you make the best choice for your daily commute. Let's get started. Number 1. GoTrax 20 Folding Electric Bike. The GoTrax 20 Folding Electric Bike is a compact and versatile solution for those looking for a reliable city commuter bike. This bike is equipped with a 500 kW motor that offers smooth pedal assist functionality, providing a comfortable ride with speeds reaching up to 20 miles per hour. Its 20-inch tires are perfect for maneuvering through urban streets while offering a sturdy and stable ride. The foldable frame allows you to easily store the bike in small spaces, making it great for apartments or offices. One of the standout features of the GoTrax is its 48V battery, which provides a range of up to 40 miles per charge, depending on your usage and terrain. This is more than enough for a daily commute or casual ride around the city. The bike's LCD display gives you all the essential information such as speed, battery life, and trip distance, so you always know where you stand. Designed with practicality in mind, the GoTrax 20 Folding Electric Bike also comes with a convenient rear rack for carrying small items. Its overall design is lightweight yet durable, making it easy to transport when folded. Whether you're commuting to work or heading to a cafe, this bike is a solid option for city riding.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Ostermotor 500W Folding Electric Bike. Next up is the Ostermotor 500W Folding Electric Bike, a powerful and stylish option for city commuting. This electric bike features a 500W motor with a peak power of 550 kW, allowing for a smooth, powerful ride, even on steeper inclines. It's equipped with 20-inch fat tires, which offer excellent stability and traction, ensuring you feel secure while riding on various surfaces. The bike's 36V13Ah battery provides a range of up to 28 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for short commutes. The folding mechanism is easy to operate, allowing you to store it conveniently when you're not using it. This bike is also designed with a 7-speed transmission system, offering versatility and making it easier to navigate through different terrains. In terms of quality and durability, the Ostermotor bike is built to last, with a robust frame and a sturdy construction. It also comes with front and rear disc brakes, providing excellent stopping power in both dry and wet conditions. If you're looking for a bike that can handle the rigors of daily city commuting with a little extra power, the Ostermotor is an excellent choice. Number 3. Isenwheel U1 Electric Bike. The Isenwheel U1 electric bike is another great choice for urban commuters who want a compact, portable solution for their daily rides. This electric folding bike comes with a 500 kW motor and offers a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it suitable for both leisurely rides and quick commutes. Its foldable design allows you to easily store it in tight spaces, such as in your car trunk or office. The bike features a 280.8-volt battery, which provides a range of up to 25 miles, depending on the level of pedal assist you choose. Whether you're using the bike for errands or daily commuting, the Isenwheel U1 offers enough battery life to cover your typical needs. The frame is made of durable aluminum, ensuring a lightweight yet sturdy build that can handle everyday wear and tear. For a smooth ride, the bike features a front shock absorber that helps cushion bumps on uneven pavement, providing added comfort during your ride. With a simple, easy-to-read LCD display, you'll always have information on your speed, battery level, and trip distance. If you need a compact, reliable bike for city riding, the Isenwheel U1 electric bike is a fantastic option. Number 4. Varon Folding Electric Bike. The Varon Folding Electric Bike is designed for those who need a high-performance electric bike that is both powerful and foldable. Equipped with a peak 750 kW motor, this bike can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and tackle hills with ease, making it ideal for city commuting and outdoor adventures. The 48V removable battery provides a range of up to 50 miles per charge, so you can travel longer distances without worrying about running out of power. The Veyron bike also comes with 21 speed gears, allowing you to switch between different levels of assist and adjust your riding experience. The bike's hydraulic suspension system provides a smooth ride over bumps, while the 20-inch fat tires offer excellent grip and stability. It's an excellent choice if you're looking for a bike that can handle both urban streets and rougher terrains. Durability is a key feature of the Veyron folding electric bike. Its frame is built to last, and the bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power. Whether you're using it for your daily commute or weekend adventures, this electric bike is sure to meet your needs. Number 5. EPAuto electric bike. The EPAuto electric bike is a mini folding electric bike that combines power, convenience, and portability. This bike comes with a 500 dual motor and a 576 or removable battery, offering a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 20 miles on a single charge. It's perfect for short city rides, errands, or commuting, and its compact folding design makes it easy to store when not in use. With an adjustable seat and handlebars, the EPAuto bike offers a customizable riding experience to fit various rider heights. It also features multi-shock absorption, which enhances comfort by reducing the impact of bumps and uneven road surfaces. This is particularly useful for city streets that may have potholes or rough patches. The bike's lightweight frame is made from durable materials that can withstand daily use. The 14-inch wheels provide good maneuverability, making it easy to navigate through crowded city streets. If you're looking for a bike that is practical and easy to store without sacrificing performance, the EPAuto electric bike is a solid choice for city riding. Number 6. Hairich Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike. The Hairich Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike is a standout in terms of power and versatility. With a peak 1,100 tow motor, this bike can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest in its category. Its 48V624V lithium battery offers a range of up to 50 miles, so you won't have to worry about frequent recharging during your commute. The fat tires provide excellent stability and traction, making it a great choice for navigating through both city streets and rougher terrain. Designed for comfort and durability, the Hairich bike features front and rear suspension systems to absorb shocks, allowing you to ride smoothly over bumpy surfaces. The bike's large LCD display provides essential information such as speed, battery life, and distance traveled. The bike also comes with powerful disc brakes, ensuring smooth and reliable stopping power in all weather conditions. If you're looking for a bike that can handle more than just city streets and provide a high-performance ride, the Hairich Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike is an excellent option. Number 7. Racco Electric Bike. Last but not least is the Racco Electric Bike, which offers great power and convenience for city riders. With a 750 tow motor and a top speed of 28 miles per hour, this bike is fast enough to get you to your destination quickly. The 16-inch folding design makes it easy to store and transport, while the 720V removable battery offers a range of up to 60 miles on a full charge. One of the standout features of the Racco bike is its lightweight yet durable frame, which is built to withstand daily use. The 16-inch wheels provide excellent maneuverability in tight spaces, while the bike's suspension system helps absorb shocks for a smoother ride. It also comes with both front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power on a variety of surfaces. The bike's sleek and modern design is complemented by a user-friendly LCD display that shows your speed, battery level, and trip data. Whether you're commuting through the city or enjoying a weekend ride, the Racco electric bike offers excellent value and performance for city riders. Choosing the best electric folding bike depends on your needs, whether it's for a short city commute, a long-distance ride, or the ability to fold and store it conveniently. All 7 bikes we've reviewed today offer fantastic features that cater to different types of riders. Whether you prioritize speed, battery life, or portability, you're sure to find the perfect match. Thanks for watching and happy riding.